Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap. You will go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about BikeMap and you will click in this page. Here in this window of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.